Today's event is a ribbon cutting and an inauguration of new bus service from Burke Center to Tysons Corner. As you know, Tysons Corner is one of the county's growth areas, a significant job center for the county, and now we're providing bus service for the first time from here into Tysons Corner using the new express lanes.
The actual logistics have been in the works for about 6 months now. That is the running time, testing, the schedule development, the blocking of the service, the identification of bus stops, putting the final package together for the operators and the run picks. We are planning for 3 routes. This is the first, the premier route from Burke. We have 2 more coming online March 4th, 2013, one originating from the Lorton VRE station, another originating from the brand new Saratoga Park and Ride, providing a link as well to the Franconia Springfield Metro Rail station.
Number one reason people take mass transit is a time-efficient commute. It's in survey after survey, and that's really what this route does, is give employees and residents a time-efficient commute into Tysons Corner.
The more opportunities we have, the more choices we give to people, and ultimately that makes everybody's living experience here in Central Fairfax County better.
This was a great event today, and it was exciting for me to see so many things come together and provide new connections, new choices for commuters. This is a marriage between the VRE and our Fairfax connector system, working with VDOT and the express bus lanes now that are opened up for commuters to be able to use, people paying a toll to get on those lanes, but the buses will just get on those lanes and provide a seamless, fast ride into Tysons Corner. It's a tremendous new opportunity for commuters, for shoppers, for business people. This is exciting stuff.